In this tutorial you will learn how to create a API key in Google AI Studio. For this, go to Google AI Studio. After you come to Google AI Studio, click it. You can find here from here, go to dashboard and API keys. Create API key. Name API key. Import the import a product. You need to import a product from your drive, or you can create a project. I get the API key. Now you can use this. You can copy key. Also need to copy this one. You can also delete the keys as well. From here you can see the usage, rate limit, spend, billing, etc.